we mount up the dashboard, mount back up the dashboard. Just have some things here. We mount back up the, just have still have the carpet on the ground here. You finish mount up the side here. Right, pass the high voltage cable back on top there. We waterproof it. Right, so that's to prevent any leaking. So we just have some more electrical work. It's a Nissan Leaf. There's some more electric work here to do for the communication line for the charger. We have a bridge. We set up a little bridge thing there that allowed it to work, just to test it, so that we can see it working. And of course, we are mounting up back here, putting back in the charger, the coolant for the charger and the battery system. So we're setting up that, and then we're going to start it up, and we're going to see how this bad boy move. Again, this vehicle was down, not charging, right? Not starting, not charging. EV, and here it is. We open it up, take out the battery, open up the charger, mount back up all those things, just do some internal repairs. And this vehicle, we have tested it already, so we are cheating, but we're going to show you that it does start and drive. Again, EV specialist, you want your EVs, your hybrid vehicles to be fixed, or even if you have Benz, BMWs, Audis and you want it fixed, come check us.